Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am Mercy, and also welcome to today's tutorial. Today's tutorial will be on how to draft and also sew handkerchief skirt. If this is your area of interest, please sit back and watch this video till the end. Guys, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, what are you really waiting for? Because this channel is going to enhance your skills in dress making. Click that space that says subscribe. Also, click the notification bell. That way, you will get to receive notification whenever I upload any video. Now, guys, let's go to the tutorial at once. We will begin by folding this fabric into four, this way, like this, into this is into two, so this is into two, and then we will fold right now into four. We will bring this end to this other end, like so. Then we will pick it up like so, like this, and we have the fabric folded into four, like this. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. The next thing to do right now is to insert our waist round measurement. Okay, the waist round measurement I'm working with is 32. So I'm not going to be working with exact 32. I will make it bigger than 32 because I will be having elastic waistband on this skirt. I don't want to use zipper on it. So to insert your waist round measurement, this is what to do. You will place your tape at this angle here, angle 90, this point, like so. You will mark 6 inches, like so, this way, and this way, to this direction, and I will connect the dots together. Good. So right now, I will be using the waist of 40 instead of 32. I'll be using 40, all right? So 40 divided by 4 is 10, right? Good. So I'm going to check if this round here will give me 10. If not, then I'll tell us what next to do. And if it's more than, I will also show us what next to do. So let's go ahead. So we have 9 inches here, okay? So because it's not enough, I'm going to mark half inch, 0.5 inch here, like so. So I'm going to connect this 0.5 this way, like so. And I'm going to check if it's going to give me 10 inches, like this. So yeah, I have 10 inches. So if at first, after marking these 6, I marked and then it gave me 10, I wouldn't need to come down by half an inch. And also, if I had marked and it gave me bigger than 10, what I would have done is I would have come up by half an inch, like so, mark half an inch all the way around. And then I will check. I will check with my waist round divide by 4 if it's okay, all right? Okay, so the first line you marked is a guide. If it gives you your waist round measurement, divide by 4. If you get your exact measurement, fine. If it's bigger, come up by half an inch. Okay, mark half an inch like this, and then insert your waist round measurement there. And if it is smaller, just like in my own case here, is smaller, I came down by half an inch and it gave me my waist round measurement. That is just the simple way to get to create where you're going to mark your waist round measurement, divide by 4. All right, so I have an explicit explanation also on this channel on how to get your waist round measurement when cutting peplum. All right, so that video, that tutorial is also on this channel. Check out that tutorial, it will also help you further. Okay, all right, so let's proceed. The next thing to do is to get the length of this skirt. Now the length of this skirt is going to be 26, right? So remember, I'm going to attach external waistband on this skirt. I'm going to attach external waistband on this skirt. So, and the external waistband is going to be 2 inches. Replace your tape from this edge like this. Mark 24 inches. Then you add your 2 inches hemming allowance. You already know that you're going to add 2 inches waistband in the process of sewing. I hope that is clear. All right. The length we have here is the length we are also supposed to have here. I hope that is clear. 26 inches. Clear. All right. So I'm going to be checking. I'm going to be marking the measurement I have from here to here. I'm going to mark it all the way so I can have a straight and accurate line to cut it out in order for the line to be equal. I hope that is clear. All right, so let's go ahead. So I'm marking 2 inches. The distance between here to here is 2 inches. So that is what I'm just simply marking right now. I'm going to connect this dot and then cut it out. So I'm cutting it right now, this excess here. All right, guys, so this is what it looks like. The next thing to do right now is to cut our round waist here, and we will be done. All right, good. Good. And our skirt is ready. So this is the length of our skirt, this is the length of our skirt, and this side is the handkerchief or the triangular shape. All right, guys, so we will proceed to go to sew it right now. To cut the waist round, this is what to do. You will check the waist round you have here. That will enable you to cut your waist band for this skirt. So, all right, guys, I'm going to go ahead to cut the waistband that we will be attaching for this skirt. All right, okay. So, guys, I have cut out the waistband I will be needing for this skirt, and the wideness is 5 inches, right? So by the time you fold it like this, by the time you sew half an inch inward, you will be left with 2 inches wide for your waistband. I hope that is clear. So right now I'm going to notch this area like so. After notching this area, this is what next to do. Now, remember this is the right side of the fabric, right? From the stitches, you will see that this is the right side of the fabric. Now, this is what to do. And also from the belt or the waistband, you will see that this side is the rough edge, right? Okay, so here is how to attach this. So this is the right side of the fabric. I'm placing it to the wrong side of the skirt, right? The right side, I'm placing it to the wrong side of the skirt, like so. So I'm going to be stitching all the way around. The reason for this is because I'll be folding this side to the front side, like so. And then I'll be stitching it all the way around. I hope that is clear. I hope you can see what I'm doing here. So I just said that this is the right side of the waistband and this is the wrong side of the skirt, right? So at this point, the right side now will be facing the wrong side of the skirt. So I'm going to match it like this, the stitch area to where I just notched. And then I will sew it all the way around. By the time I sew it all the way around, I'm going to flip this side like so. Like so. I'm going to bury these rough edges inside, okay? By the time I'm sewing it, I'll let you see what it looks like. So I have joined the waistband. Next thing to do is to fold the waistband this direction, all right? Like so. So this is the right side. You see the purpose why we sew this rough edge facing the right side, right? So that by the time you turn it over like so and you fold it to this direction, you're also going to fold half an inch to place on top. You're going to stitch all the way round your waistband, all right? Okay, so I'm going to do just that and I'll bring it back for you to see what it looks like. And after stitching the waistband round, the next thing to do is to hem your skirt. You hem it like so, hem it all the way around. And then while you are stitching your waistband, remember to leave like 2 inches space so that you'll be able to insert your elastic, all right, at the waistband. So those are the few things remaining to do, and then our skirt will be done. Thank you so very much, guys, for watching. I want to believe this tutorial is helpful to you. Please do let me know in the comment section if the tutorial is helpful to you in any way. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Also share this video with others. In case you are not in dressmaking and you have a friend who is into dressmaking, please share this video with them. Recommend my channel to them. This will help enhance their skills in dressmaking. Thank you for watching. Till I come your way next time with another informative, educative, and instructive tutorial. Bye for now.